Alright guys, so we're out today. It's me and Chase. We're fishing through the kayaks. I'm spinning in circles, but I'm just making every cast count. There we go. Got one. Dude, what a toad of a rock bass. What a toad of a rock bass. Look at this thing. Guys, that is a toad. That is all of about 10 inches. And he probably weighs a solid like 3/4 pound. That's a chunk rock bass. Look at that thing. Chunk rock bass. First fish of the day. Thank you. What a toad! Yeah, buddy. Another big old rock bass. Choked it. Second fish of the day. Camera's dying, so I'm almost out of filming time, but I only have one GoPro with me today. This dude choked this thing. In the water, buddy. Another one. Dink smallmouth. Three for the day. Get back in the water. That caused a commotion. There we go. I got that bird's nest. Chase! I got a bird's nest. I had to let the bait sit there for a minute. And this thing hit it. Dink smallmouth. Number 4 of the day. There's a nice one. Oh yeah. Stop it. Nicest one of the day so far, about 12 inches. Solid. Solid fish. 12 inch. 5th of the day. There you go. There's a nice one. There we go. Number 6. Right at the boat. Another nice one, number 7 of the day. 10-incher. There's one. Nice one. 12-incher. Yee! Oh yeah. Oh man. No! Another rock bass. It's really shallow in general right now. That rock, need some fish. That was a fish, see it? There's one.
Hey.
Oh, cool. First one of the day. Complain about that. I won't come. Look at all these fish rising, dude. Oh! No, those are feathers. Do you see all these fish rising? That's sick. So see, I'm just going to kind of float down and just kind of float. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a real good one. Ow, you prick. I know. I'll be okay. That's solid. Solid pounder. It's me and Corey. Corey has never kayaked in his life. Isn't fishing. I've already caught 2 fish and I've gone 50 yards and they're rising all over the place. But this is a nice one. Probably about 1.5 pounds. I'll put him back in the water. And that's exactly why. Right there is why. There's one. Number 5 already. It's gonna be a hell of a day, Corey. There he is. That's a rock bass. Let go of it. Different species. It's a rock bass. Yep, rock bass. They're smaller. There's one. Another big old rock bass. Another one. So, fish number 11, pretty solid smallmouth, little pounder. And he's off, back to his little house. There it is, Corey. It's a nice one. Yeah, buddy. Corey, paddle over here a minute. Woo! Nice pound and a halfer. Easy. I'm trying to help you. Hey, easy. Easy. Hey, easy, 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 easy. I'm trying to help you. Where's it at, buddy? I'll hold it if you want to.
Look, how did you get this?
I don't know why people leave their line laying around. I mean, heck, you're next to a park, there's garbage cans all over the place.
Yeah. Come on.
I don't know if it's under its wing, maybe.
Well,
Up around. Come on. There's your friend. Go to your friend. There you go.
all right, guys.
Awesome. Thank you. Just pull it down here. I'll put it in my kayak. It's hobbling a little bit, but he should be all right. Who knows how? I see a bunch of feathers laying there, so who knows how long he's been there. Goose rescue.
Oh shit.
What? Oh shit. I'll go grab it. Ugh. Yeah. Come here, buddy.
Safari spot 14. What the heck? Is it just chilling? Is it alive?
He's alive.
What the heck? Was it face down in the water?
No, it's just chilling. Don't go back in the water. Don't go back in the water. Don't go back in the water.
I wonder if they can't fly.
It looks young. It has a young mold on it. There you go, little buddy. Alright guys, so finishing up the video and just wanted to kind of sum up everything. I caught a lot of fish, not a lot of big ones, but we caught some nice ones. Missed two really big ones, didn't get one on footage, and Chase got a really nice pickerel on footage, or on the first day one. And we didn't get that on footage, my camera was dead already. So, but day two was full of a lot of crazy stuff. We found a goose tied down with like fishing string that somebody left lay around. So I cut it loose, got it free, and said it like it was fine. I seen it today. It's still fine. And I literally just left that, got the whole kayak situation fixed when Corey left his go, and then a pigeon was just, I don't know if it hit the water and couldn't get off, I don't know, but it was in the water, and I grabbed it and took it over the rocks, and it wasn't there today, so I'm assuming that it was pretty good after it dried off. So I've been fishing the last 2 days and have another video almost ready after this one, so hopefully you guys enjoy this, and the next one should be just about the same. So thanks for watching Down River Outdoors. Tight lines, and God bless.